Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A14 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both and tap on the search bars. Then you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Following that, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung and Receive next to Send at the bottom of your Android. Also on an Android, scroll down to tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no, thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Samsung. On it, you can tap on all of those categories at the top, and in them, click on those type of dots. This way, you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on the chosen ones. When you finished, choose Send next to Selected, tap on Got it, and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, select the scanning icon next to Input key. Allow camera access and point your Android's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and then hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!